Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a look using products from Nature Republic because I don't know, I was just like, let me do this, and I was like, yeah. So all of the products that I use on my face today are all from Nature Republic. Every single one is from them, so yeah. I will try to link down the items in the description if I do find them, because I know that they don't sell their stuff on their website. I have seen some stuff on Amazon, so I'll look for all of them. So yeah, they're all really good products. I recommend them. The only thing that's like kind of iffy would be the BB cream, because it is a bit light on me, like especially with like stark lighting. It looks way too light on me, and they don't have that much of shade, like a shade range, so what can you do? Use a different foundation, I guess. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me because I crave validation through the internet. Yeah. Yeah, it'd be really cool if you subscribed to my channel. Anyways, yeah, like this video because I asked. I don't know, yeah. And follow me on my other social media. Please. That'd be cool if you did. Like I said, you don't have to. Just putting it out there, you know. I have not posted in like 3 weeks. I'm so, like, or a month. I'm so sorry. I just haven't been feeling it, you know? Like, I just have not been feeling like recording. I don't know, just the stuff that I tried to record just didn't work out. Like, I don't know, I just didn't like how it ended up being. So anyways, if you would like to see how this was done, please keep watching. And then I'll be using their foundation, or BB cream, which is the pure BB cream in 25. Just gonna put that all over my face.
I'm gonna, oh, it's way pretty. So I'm just gonna put that over my skin.
Since this is a BB cream, the coverage isn't gonna be like a lot. I don't know what to say. Yeah. It's really nice. Like, it's really blendable and soup's creamy. I think I put too much on my forehead. Whoops. Yeah, it's a little too light for my forehead because my forehead's a lot darker than the rest of my skin. Oh my god, I put too much up here. Okay, just, yeah. If you can tell, like, it looks, yeah, like, you can see, like, my forehead is not that shade. But hey, I'm working on it. I think I'm gonna use this puff. So I fixed it a little. I took off most of what was on my forehead because it was just not working, you know, like, yeah. So the next I'm doing are my brows. I'm gonna fill in my brows with their Micro Slim Brow Pencil in number 3, which is soft brown. I chose that shade. Yeah, just gonna fill in. I really, like, you can tell, like, I really need to get them groomed. I'm like way too lazy to do that myself because I always mess up my like brow shape when I do it myself because I suck. Yes. now I'm gonna use their eyebrow coating Cara. It's like their eyebrow eyebrow gel thing, and it's also like lightening my actual brows because my real hair and brow hairs are not brown. So oh yeah, and I'm using the color like in number 2. Yeah, then I'm just gonna brush it with a spoolie. I'm just gonna use these 2 shades. This one is number 1 and this one is number 2. That's funny, I didn't realize. Okay.
As my eye base shade, it's like a really light, frosty pink color. It's, yeah, super soft and easy to blend out.
Yeah. So I'm just rubbing that all over my eye. Put number 1, like the orangey shade, on in my crease area. I always mess up on this eye. Why does this happen to me? So, as you blend it to the best of your friggin' abilities. That's usually, oh, and I'm also gonna use this crystal eye tint in number 3. Like, concentrating it in the inner middle portion of my eye. Just gonna place that on there. Yeah, just gonna then blend that out. And I'm using my trusty botanical hyperliner in black. Let me just go back. Okay. It's like my favorite eyeliner of all time. I'm so glad that I have this in my life. Yeah. Whew. Okay, so just gonna make a line. With their eyelash curler. It's pretty good.
But my lashes suck, so
So I'll be using their Intense Touch Mascara. Whatever. It really coats my lashes and really lengthens them, so I like it a lot. It's really nice. Doesn't clump too much. Like if you do more than like 3 applications, I feel like it'll start clumping, but like 1 or 2, you're good. I'm more of like length than volume, honestly. Like, I'm cool. I'm cool. number 2, I think. Is this 2? Yes, this is 2. Just gonna pump like a little bit of it because it's really super natural, so yeah, I'm just gonna put that on the highest points. Like right now it looks like holy crap, because like when you blend it out, like look at that, like it looks like holy shit, but it blends out like super natural. So yeah. But it's still like a really cute like thing to put on. Yeah, so but my favorite thing is this eyeshadow. It's number 9, but it's like this iridescent purple. It's so pretty, and I just like to use it as a highlight because it reminds me of that highlighting stick that, what's it called, Milk Makeup has. So I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. Okay, oh my god, cute. Like, it's just so pretty. And then I'm just gonna put on blush, which is the Shine Blossom blusher. I'm just gonna put that all over my face as well. With their Sweet Jelly Gloss, I have the one in Peach. I love these because they smell so good. This one smells like freaking peaches, like legit. So let's go with all else. It has like a slight tint, like of color. So this is the final look. Okay, so while I was filming this, I was like, I've been waiting for like the Too Faced Sweet Peach, like the website. Yeah, so I'm like trying to get it.